There's an old saying in aviation, a mile of highway will take you a mile, but a mile of runway will take you anywhere. Today, we're stepping onto the tarmac to celebrate the backbone of the skies, general aviation. We've gathered some of the most iconic light aircraft ever built, from cross-country tours to rugged backcountry legends. Let's get up close and personal. Exploring the lineup. Notice the diversity on the ramp today. You're looking at machines that represent decades of engineering excellence. Whether it's the high-wing stability of a Cessna or the sleek, modern lines of a sport cruiser, these planes are more than just metal and fabric. They are time machines. Just listen to the rhythm of those props. That's the sound of pure freedom. The training legends. For many pilots in the U.S., the journey starts right here. These high-wing aircraft are the gold standard for flight training. They are forgiving, reliable, and offer a bird's-eye view that never gets old. Every rivet and every control surface is designed with one goal in mind: the perfect flight. Style and capability. Focus on the red bemaware. Check out the vibrant colors on this one. Beyond the aesthetics, look at the landing gear and the aerodynamic profile. This is built for the pilot who wants to turn heads at the local fly-in. Whether it's a short field landing on a grass strip or cruising at 10,000 feet, these light planes prove that adventure doesn't require a jet engine. The passion of flight. Aviation isn't just a hobby. It's a community. It's about the pre-flight checks, the smell of avgas in the morning, and the precision of a perfect touchdown. It's a world where every takeoff is optional, but every landing is mandatory. Looking at these planes today, it's easy to see why so many people lose their hearts to the sky. Final outro and engagement.